Semson Sing Engti College along kacharli amumar sitame dak methang adim satlang chetok longpo. Pini nipai kep pai achiklu thelang arni nijangkar pi anglong wothat langso kedo Semson Sing Engti College along kacharli amumar atum sitame dongkamukam rangsina college an dam joplot pen methang college along amat pining pen satlang chetok longpo. Nijangkar bianglong along kaduk kawe humpli college do sonsi dongkamukam rangsina college wothat langso Semson Sing Engti College hamren waisong college lapen phelangpi mate kheroni kopli college laso long pli angbong pen exam center along with ajok ajahak college atum satlang ketok dam ahut kisung kipumate kedam kewang katora do iglo. Sonsi Semson Sing Engti College Principal Dr. Viswajit Roy Lapen Lipson Bay KAC Taxation Advisory Board Chairman Lapen Arya Sangho atum kacharli amumar atum kisung gipo alam arjulong si Assam University Silchor anpali dam si kedam tang inkoira isi aru achiklo ningkan suri hinira ningkan ingkora pho ap arni tuningri alu pi pajer damlo sonsi puthot Assam University Silchor pen puthot Great Rock wosik achiklo arni Assam University Silchor pen labangso Semson Sing Engti College nangka humri aphan wangsi nangkachari aphan wang pen dak college principal teaching staff non teaching lapen governing body atum pen chingki chingwai tekanglo alang litum dak college along nangka humri pen mesen ang thek mate ahoglo labang so college pen exam ki tok dam ke halloween langpu jinisi kedam tang niphainer kep chitia chiklo arni Assam University Silchor penje dak Semson Sing Engti College along amat si degree kacharli wai atum sitame dak Semson Sing Engti College along amat satlang mate exam chetok longpo po Assam University Silchor official pen permission alo nangpang dak ponlo Semson Sing Engti College Principal Dr. Viswajit Roy Lapen Lipson Bay KAC Taxation Board Advisory Chairman aphan labangso asai along kacher abdun thek ajok akeru pipon lapenthu Dr. Suptabir Datta Roy Controller of Examination alang litum aphan akeru pi pajer ponlo wothat langso pen sugur singanse hamre na berta
Honorable Chairman Department of Taxation Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Difu Mr. Semson Sing and my office assistant Mr. Kamsa and my dear media person present here. So actually our college was established in the year of 1999, 24th of July, and from that day our degree holder students used to appear their examination in Donka Rangshina College Examination Center and Donka Rangshina College and our Wothalangso Semson Sing Engti College. Communication gap is there. Our students they used to suffer so many days that they appeared their semester examination in Rangshina College, Donkamokam, and since then we were trying to get examination center here in Semson Sing Engti College, and after that in the year of 2025, 21 April, we went to Assam University Silchor with Mr. Lipson Bay Chairman, Department of Taxation, and over there we have submitted one application to the Controller of Examination, Dr. Suprabir Dottoroy, to get examination center in Semson Sing Engti College, Baitalangso, and we discuss about our college, and we discuss about all the infrastructure facilities of our college, about the staff strength of our college. So along with all the supporting documents, we have submitted the application to the Controller of Examination, Assam University, Silchar. And after that day we meet Dr. Biswajit Das, Section Officer, Assam University, Silchar, Examination Branch. Then we meet Dr. Jayanto Bhattacharya, College Development Council, Assam University, Silchar. And along with all the officials, we had a discussion about Semson Sing Engti College for an examination center, so that our students will able to appear their examination comfortably. And after that, Assam University, Silchar, they have sent one inspection committee to Semson Sing Engti College on 16th June 2025 with the chairmanship of Dr. Pankaj Dev Sharma and member Dr. Devakanto Sharma and convener Dr. Mohan Bora. They have visited our Semson Sing Engti College on 16th June 2025, and they inspected our infrastructure facilities and all the supporting documents of our college that we apply for examination center. And after that, they have given the report to the Assam University, Silchar, to the Controller of Examination. And after that, we got the order on 8/9/2025 that they approved Semson Sing Engti College as an examination center, and in that notification they have given the competent authority of Assam University, Silchar is pleased to permit TDC examination center in the following colleges for a period of 1 year purely on temporary and experimental basis for FYUG odd semester 2025 and FYUG event semester 2026. So to Semson Sing Engti College and Waisam College, Hamre. And we got some formats that they asked to submit the examination center, name of the assistant examination center, name of the postal office and address, police station and address, medical center. So all those details now will prepare and will send to the Assam University, Silchar. So it is a very good step and great achievements for Semson Sing Engti College, for which we were trying since last few years. And in this connection, we would like to thanks to the Controller of Assam University, Silchar, Dr. Suprabir Dottoroy, for his kindness that he approved Semson Sing Engti College as a degree examination center. In the same time, we would like to thanks to Dr. Jayanto Bhattacharya, College Development Council Director. We thanks to him also. Then we would like to thanks Dr. Biswajit Das, Section Officer, Examination Branch, Assam University, Silchar. And in the Same times, we would like to thanks to Honorable Mr. Lipson Bay, Chairman of Taxation Department, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Diku, as well as Executive President of Governing Body, Semson Sing Engti College, for his kind support, and he have given the valuable times. We went to Silchar to apply for our center, and after that we are able to got the examination center in our college. In the same time, I would like to thank all the members of our governing body, president of the governing body, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff of our college.